In this video, we will derive the formula for a plus b plus c whole square. So the first step would be, let a plus b be equal to, let us say, x, okay, capital X. So a plus b plus c is x plus c. Therefore a plus b plus c whole square is equal to x plus c whole square. Now we need to expand this. We already know the formula for this. This will be x square plus c square plus 2cx. Now what is x? X is a plus b. So we'll put a plus b in place of x. A plus b whole square plus c square plus 2 times of c times, again we'll put the value of x, a plus b. Okay. Now in the next step we'll expand this. This will be a square plus b square plus 2ab plus c square plus 2 times of c, a plus b. We haven't expanded this yet, which we'll do in the next step. Now this equals a square plus b square plus, we can bring c square here, plus c square plus 2ab plus. Now we'll multiply this. This c will be multiplied with a and then with b. This will be 2 times of ca plus cb. Okay. This will be equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. Now we'll expand this. 2 times of ca is the same as ac plus 2 times of cb is the same as bc. Okay. This equals a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times, we'll take 2 common. This will be ab plus bc plus ca or ac. Okay. Hence we have proven that a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. Thanks for watching.